Hello everyone, I'm Bob Furlong, and this is Tech Quip's number 17, Originality Reports. One of the new features in Google Classroom is something called the Originality Reports. Now what this will do is it will check for authenticity of students' work as long as they have it in a Google Doc. So they won't be able to look at this in a PDF format, for instance. How you would use this, you want to start by creating your assignment, and then click on Originality Reports. Many of you will probably get this pop-up that says that you only get 3 for every class that you have, unless your school district is an enterprise district, and then you can have an unlimited number. So I'm going to simply click Continue, and I'm going to save that. Now, if a student then turns in the work, what do you see? Well, let's take a look at that. So I have a student that turned in their work on mitochondrial DNA, and it tells me, oh look, there's 2 flagged passages here. So I can click on that Originality Report, and it will tell me where they came from. I can go to a percentage, and basically what this is saying is that 85% of this paper has been taken from these 2 websites. So there's a couple different ways that you can actually use this. If you click on Originality Reports when you put the assignment out, the student will also have the ability, once they've uploaded their document, to have it check, and it will tell them, hey look, 85% of what you have is taken from some other website. Or you can turn it on after the student has submitted, and then you can do an Originality Report that way as well. So you can do it either way. Now remember, you do get 3 free Originality Reports for every class in Google Classroom. So if your school district is not an enterprise district, you'll have to make a choice as to when you want to use those Originality Reports. Thanks for watching.